Using the sun path diagram, we are capable of obtaining the information regarding the sun path information that is particular to the site more easily. There are two different ways for mapping the sun path. One is vertical and the other is horizontal way of projections of the three-dimensional sky dome that we've been looking at. And for today's class, we will only look at the horizontal sun path diagram. The upper portion shows how a horizontal sun path diagram is being created. A below portion shows how an orthogonal sun path diagram is being created. When the sun paths are plotted on a horizontal projection of the sky dome, we get a sun path diagram, which is this one. A sun path diagram for 40-degree north latitude is shown here. This particular diagram is designed to be used for both north and south hemisphere. In this case, let's assume that the location is on the 40-degree north latitude. So we only have to look at this legend on the right side only. These concentric circles represent altitude. As it gets closer to the center, it means the sun is higher in the mid-sky. These radial lines represent the azimuths, representing the horizontal projection of the sun's location, and it is measured from due south toward east or west. These curved parallel lines represent a sun path that follow the duration of the day. There is two extreme days at the top and bottom, highlighted with red. The line moves up and back down for the duration of the year. For 21st of every month is labeled with these dark curved lines. And each line, except for the two extreme days, represent two different times of the year, with the middle line being the equinox of the year, both spring and fall. These lines represent time of those days. Now, let's do a quick exercise and extract the information out of this diagram. If I want to find out how the solar ray is coming into the site at a given time of the year, written on the upper right side of the page, I need to read azimuth and the altitude from this diagram. You can pause the video and try to find the solar ray at this given time based on this diagram. First, let's locate a time of the year from this diagram. Since the time we want to find out is the March 21st, I locate the day from the right side of the diagram and follow the diagonal line till I reach the time of the day, which is 3 p.m. Once I located the time of the year on this diagram, I'm ready to read the azimuth and altitude information from this diagram. In this case, the azimuth it can be read as 34 degree and azimuth can be read as 59 degree from the southwest. With this angular information, I can visualize how solar ray is entering into my window by drawing an accurate sketch like this. Using the 34 degree as altitude angle, I can determine how high the sun is. And on the plan drawing, using the 59 degree, I can draw the exact direction of the ray is coming from. And I can start to design my building, making series of informed decisions.